All right, we are being asked to find the exponential equation whose graph passes through these 2 points. Whether it's an equation, function, we can change this to y equals ab to the x. So how we do this is, remember that this is our y value, this is our x value, same over here. And if it's passing through those 2 points, I can actually use those and solve for this equation. So let me show you what I mean. So if I have, I'll rewrite it as a y equals a b to the x. This first equation here then would be 1/8 equals a b to the -2, right? Because my -2 is my x value. And so I can rewrite that -2. Remember, if you bring it down below, it makes the exponent positive. So if you write it as a fraction. And now from here, I could simply just multiply both sides, because what I'm doing is I want to solve for a. And so I get 1/8 b squared equals a. And you're like, well, but how is that going to help me? Well, why not use this now with this point where I have 1/28 equals a b to the 3rd power. You see where I got those numbers from? And now what I can do here is where I see a, I can plug that in. And now I could solve for b. So I'm going to do that. I have 1/28 equals 1/8 b squared, b cubed. I feel like I'm playing bingo here. 1/28, 1/8. When you have same bases and you're multiplying, you do what to the exponent? You are correct. You would add them. All right. I could multiply both sides by 8 to get that canceled out. And so that gives me 1024 equals b to the 5th. And how would I solve this? I would take the 5th root. The 5th root. Now, if you do not know this, that you do not know 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, I had to count on my fingers 5 times. Little trick with your calculator, you can actually put this in your calculator as 1024 raised to the 1/5 power. And be sure you have all that raised and it'll give you that value. But wait, we're not done. So it wanted an exponential function here. So I have my b equals 4. So I can go back to this business over here and solve for a. So 1/8 equals a, b equals 4. We still have our same exponent. 1/8 equals a 4 squared. See what I did with that negative exponent again? So 1/8 equals a over 16. If I multiply both sides by 16, I think I need to scroll. I think I will get a equals 2. So 2 equals a, which therefore our final answer is y equals a that we solved for, b right there that we solved for, and then to the x power. And that's it.